How to delete TikTok followers all at once. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open up TikTok on your device. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that no other new followers are going to follow you on TikTok. So for that, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, then tap on the three lines and now tap on settings and privacy. Once you're here, you want to tap on privacy. Then here you can find private account option. So simply toggle this option on, tap on switch anyway. Now, first, you're going to be switched to a personal account if you're using a professional account. And after that, you will be able to switch into private account. And now no new followers will be following you. After that, if you want to delete all of your existing followers, then simply tap on followers from here. Now you can obviously delete it from here by tapping on remove this follower, but you will have to do this one by one. If you want to delete all of them all at once, or if you have many followers and you cannot do this manually, then you want to head back and tap on these three lines again, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down, tap on report a problem. Now you want to scroll all the way down and tap on submit a report. Now here you just want to request TikTok to remove all of your followers. So here you can say something like, I need to delete all of my followers because, and give your reason. After that, you can also include some other details about your account. Then tap on the submit button and TikTok team will get back to you in 24 to 48 hours and then help you. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.